What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily. This is where you find the hottest and the newest degen plays in the crypto space. My name is Joven, and I got something extremely shocking for you guys in this one. But before we get into the video, I gotta let you guys know I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest into any crypto asset. This space is very risky and very volatile. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. Now, as you guys can see, I have my channel on screen, Meme Coin Daily, 501 subscribers. We hit that 500 mark. Let's get to 600 subscribers next. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, especially if you hold the project that we are talking about in this video. Voltichange has so much noise in the crypto space, crypto Twitter, all over. You see Voltichange, left and right, you see Voltichange. Now's the time I decided I gotta cover it on the channel. I see that you guys of the Volt community sent the project on a crazy run, and you just love to see it, guys. Rank number 341 on CoinMarketCap. 19,000 people has Volt on their watch list, myself included. Certic audit, $59 million in market cap. 5.1 million in 24-hour trade volume, down around 18%, but this volume, this 24-hour volume is still freaking insane. Volt community, you guys are super based. The Volt team, you guys are super based. Listed on multiple exchanges: Bitrex, Gate.io, Probit Global, BitGet. 229k volume on Uniswap, 71k on Bitrex, 51k on PancakeSwap. There's also the BSC version of Volt. Exchanges will see this type of volume, especially the ones that you guys got on Gate. 1.9 mil, almost 2 million trade volume on Gate.io. Exchanges will see that and be like, huh, I gotta get my hands on some Voltichange trade volume. This is a crazy, shocking, electrifying project, guys. Everybody loves Volt in the degen space. I don't know one person that's bullish on meme coins that's not bullish on Volt, guys. Like, this is an insane, electrifying project. It's like The Rock, the most electrifying man in sports entertainment.
Oh, there go the sunglasses, the people's sunglasses. It's the most electrifying move in sports entertainment today.
That is what Volt is. It is it was in a accumulation period for a minute, you know what I'm saying, from since all the way back in May, all the way accumulate. Now we have this big move to the upside on the 30th of October. Big 2x move, 100% move to the upside, and it's looking like it's ready to tear once again, guys. Like, when I look at Volt, I see billions of market cap in the future, y'all. Like, it's never too late for this project, guys, you know what I'm saying? We got the website on screen now, guys, and when it comes to a project like Volt, you cannot turn a blind eye to this project. Not financial advice, not investment advice, but if I was a betting man and I was gonna put my chips on a project that could have a Shiba Inu run, a Dogecoin run, I'd bet my chips on Voltichange, guys. 44 exchanges that it's listed on, centralized exchanges: Whitebit, one of the top exchanges in the UK, Probit, Forex, Bitrue, all great exchanges. CoinStore, big one, LA Token. It's only a matter of time until it gets to like KuCoin, you know what I'm saying? It gets to even tier 1 exchanges, top level tier 1 exchanges in the future, guys. I could already imagine, guys, when Dogecoin is on the run to $1, new all-time high. Shiba on the run to new all-time highs. New retail, new money is gonna come into the market, because you guys are holding the floor so strong in Volt. New retail is gonna come into the market and see how much you guys spread this project, how much you share it, how much you get the word out, and they're gonna FOMO. They're gonna be like, wow, this is a great project, I'm gonna have to FOMO. Volt is one of the projects that I truly believe will go on a multi-billion-dollar market cap run. How much multi-billions, I'm not sure, but I'm sure it's gonna be multi-billions, guys. As you guys know already, if this is your first time hearing about Volt, Volt is a hyper deflationary token. Hyper deflationary, meaning that it burns on ETH and the Binance version of Volt through transactions to reduce supply. Reducing supply means there's going to be a supply squeeze, which helps with price stability and also to increase the value of Volt in the future. As it has on the website, it also has the aim to invest in multiple asset classes such as NFTs, nodes, altcoins, staking and farming of stablecoins. This investment diversity allows to mitigate the risk while taking advantage of the possible non-correlated growth of the trending assets, guys. Volt is one of those ones you cannot turn a blind eye to. They already completed stage 1 and stage 2 of their roadmap. They have been building throughout the bear market, guys, and I see Volt all over crypto Twitter. So the only unchecked goals on the roadmap so far are treasury staking and farming, automated social activity reward system, NFT collection, Voltichange, launchpad and incubator. Now Voltichange is something the community of Volt is super hyped about, and I'm guessing Voltichange is an exchange. I'm not sure if it's either decentralized or a centralized exchange for Volt Inu, guys, but either way the utility is there. The chart does not lie. Sideways accumulation, big pop to the upside after months because the community is so strong and the team is putting in that work. Almost 120k followers of the Volt community. I remember when Sheeb and Akita and Kishu and Feg were building up their follower counts, you know what I'm saying, before that huge takeoff. We have a tweet from the official Volt Inu, me checking every new Volt tweet to see if Voltichange gets launched. Better turn on those notifications. 186 likes, 131 retweets, and this was tweeted just 19 minutes ago. You guys in the Volt community are based, okay? Another tweet from Coin Mummy, Voltichange MVP free ETH. When ETH stirs, altcoins follow. Facts. Embracing a deflationary future, you know, Vitalik Buterin is all about burns, and we'll be pulling our weight to help. It's also been confirmed that VSDC NFTs have ETH rewards for holding and can also burn. Bring on the burns. Let it burn, y'all. We have a tweet from Belize Crypto. Volt Inu is today, Voltichange Day. And we see, okay, so it's a decentralized exchange. And you can see the swap template is already built, you know what I'm saying. We have like a little sample and the community is going nuts for it. 202 likes, 128 retweets, guys. This is one of the most base projects in the meme coin space. There's no doubt in my mind about that. Do not sleep on Volt Inu, guys. We have a tweet from Crypto DeFi Gems, huge Twitter account, 137k followers. So tell me more about Volt Inu official. Huge accounts like this. I'm not too familiar with Crypto DeFi Gems, but this was retweeted by the official Volt Inu Twitter, so I'm sure it's a big name. I'm sure it's a respectable name in the space. Even someone like this is interested in Volt Inu because you guys, the community is so based and the project itself is so based, guys. 5 hours ago, Crypto Insights just in. Volt Inu official Volt is now listed on kickx.com. Kickx is a fast developing crypto exchange with 1.3 million plus users, 50 plus coins and tokens listed. 50 plus coins, 50 plus, not a lot. There's like 20 something thousand cryptocurrencies in existence, and Volt Inu had to be one of them because the exchanges see, the exchanges know. Oh man, that Volt Inu volume looks juicy. It looks super tasty. I gotta get some of my hands on that Volt Inu trade volume, guys. This is such a bullish project. Like, I have nothing bad to say about this project. I already knew about it for a while ago, but this is my first time covering it on the channel. And the more I look into it, the more bullish I get. There's no such thing as coincidences. That is something that I believe, guys. We have a tweet from Pablo CRO, huge Twitter account, 78k followers, a YouTuber as well. Tonight we vote Elon Musk, Tesla, Volt Inu official. Later tonight, by the time I have this video uploaded, 8 p.m. EST, and we see right here the tweet that probably gave Volt some of that push to the upside. Power to the people. And we see those lightning bolts. We see those lightning bolts, you know what I'm saying? People might be like, oh no, that's just a coincidence. no such thing as coincidences, guys. The community of Volt is making noise. And I'm sure Elon already knows. The Volt Inu army letting Elon know the lightning bolts, the electricity is here to take over. Volt puts you in charge. I get it. And we can see right here from the image the huge marketing that takes place for Volt. A lot of projects in the space fail because they don't have enough marketing, they don't have a strong community, they don't have a great development team. All three of these things make a successful project, and Volt Inu checks all the boxes. I see nothing but a great future ahead, a fantastic and electrifying future ahead for Volt Inu. Multi-billions in market cap in the future for Volt. If you hold Volt Inu, I'd appreciate it if you could like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, comment down below what other project you want me to check out next. If you want me to check out more of Volt Inu, comment down below. And if this is your first time hearing about Volt Inu, let me know what you think. Everything Volt and myself will be down in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.